So here's the tool I'm going to be using to reprogram or relearn the 4 new sensors on my 2013 Honda Odyssey EXL. Pretty much you're going to have to use yes and no and the arrows. Later you're going to use that one to learn the new IDs. So I'm going to press yes. I select Honda, otherwise I can move up and down. Yes. The Odyssey, right? And this is 2013, so it's between that range. You have 5 options here. Yep. And I'm gonna go to position relearn and ODBD relearn. And gives you a set of instructions here, like, hey, put in park, and then ensure all tires are inflated with the new sensors, starting with the left front and then moving around the car. You'll see it later on. Later when you got all the 4 new sensors, you turn the ignition on and you connect this tool through this port into the ODB, and that's when it's going to connect, program the computer. Once that is done, it says drive it for at above 20 miles for at least 10 minutes and ensure that the TPMS light is off. So we'll see. So I'm going to press OK, and it says go to the front tire. It's that. Okay, here we go. Let's close to it and press that one. The Wi-Fi signal. I don't know why they put a Wi-Fi symbol there. Yep, I liked it. So now we have to go to the other tire. Let's do that. Here we are on the other one. Let's press that button. It was pretty fast. Now we are on this one. Yep. Let's do this one quickly. There we are. And I press that button again. So there we are. We have all of them. Now it's telling me, let's see, let's connect it to the ODB and turn the ignition on. Okay, so I hooked up the tool to the ODB port on my car. I'm going to turn the ignition on, not the engine on, and press yes. Communicating with the vehicle. Please wait. Writing sensor ID to computer unit or computer, I don't know what it is. I don't remember that mnemonic. Let's see how long it takes. Writing ID successful. Please proceed with the following steps until the OBD relearn successful. Let's press yes. Communicating with reading sensor ID, reading DTCs, relearn successful. Okay, and that tells you all the information. No codes, no DTCs, like no bad codes. Perfect. So now I have to drive it until the light goes off. This is how the car looks like right now before I turn it on and I drive it for a while. I literally drove it for like a quarter of a mile, and the blinking icon, the low tire icon, disappeared. It was that easy.